Yeah, Rafa's garage. On this Mama Lona, we're gonna do the hub. This one's fairly easy. It's not perm press, so that's a good thing. So it's just a couple of bolts in the back, take off the wheel. My brother tried to do it, but I guess he didn't have enough torque or power, so I'm gonna give it a try. He already took the out cab off, which is our size 22 for this bad boy. Take off that cab, find out what size that nut is for the axle. These are 22, so let's lift up the car, jack it up, and start taking this wheel off and see what size bolts they are. Took it off, and it looks like we're just gonna remove the axle and those 4 bolts back there. You got 1, 2 in every corner. So probably gonna take off this tie rod right here. That way it gives me a little wiggle plate to take the axle off. Let me see what size they are. So took it off. Just had to take the caliper. You got 2 big old bolts right here, size 21. These are 15s in the back, but be very careful because one was tight like a motherfucker and I almost stripped it. I did strip it. So might get another bolt later on. Now I'm gonna tie it super hard on that one. And you don't even have to take the axle or the lower control arm or any of that. And now I just gotta slide that one in. You do have to remove a 10 right here for the brake bracket, or you also have a couple of clips. You got a clip right here. I think you had one on top of here too. Another one right here. This one just opens up like that. This one too. There's another one on top of here where you unclip it. And it's kind of common sense where you put it. They're like, that's the clip up there, but mine's broke off from the connector. Fully remove them, but I'm gonna use the old ones. And this is the other clip that's on there. This one was more of a pain in the butt. But yeah, I'm just gonna slide that in, put the bolts back on, put the wheel back on, and go for a test drive. Later on, I'm gonna swap the brakes. It does need brakes pretty soon, and I saw this, so I'm gonna order it, do it for another day because I don't have another car right now to go buy the parts. But it's not like I drive this truck anyways, so just want to fix it. But let me get back to it.